Join me as I dive into the mind-bending world of mirror neurons and challenge myself to see if they really control our reality. Mirror neurons are one of the most fascinating concepts in neuroscience, and yet, they're still somewhat of an enigma. These specialized brain cells have the power to simulate the actions and emotions of others, allowing us to empathize and connect with those around us. But what if I told you that mirror neurons might be doing more than just helping us understand others? What if they're actually controlling our reality? When we try to understand how mirror neurons influence our behaviors and interactions with others in everyday life, we're faced with a significant challenge. It's difficult to pinpoint exactly how these cells are impacting our actions, because they're working behind the scenes, often without us even realizing it. But that's what makes them so intriguing. Imagine being able to tap into the collective consciousness of those around you, sensing their emotions and thoughts without them even saying a word. It's a powerful idea, and one that raises more questions than answers. One thing is certain, though, mirror neurons are constantly at work, shaping our social interactions and influencing the way we perceive the world. From automatic facial expressions to instinctive emotional responses, these cells are the unsung heroes of our social lives. But how do they do it? How do they manage to wire our brains together, creating a shared reality that's uniquely human? As we navigate the complexities of human relationships, mirror neurons are hard at work, simulating the experiences of those around us and helping us build connections that are both deep and meaningful. But what if this simulation is more than just a helpful tool? What if it's actually creating our reality, moment by moment, interaction by interaction? It's a mind-boggling idea, and one that challenges our very understanding of what it means to be human. When we look at the science behind mirror neurons, we start to see just how significant their impact really is. Studies have shown that these cells are responsible for everything from empathy and cooperation to social learning and even language development. They're the glue that holds our social fabric together, allowing us to build communities and relationships that are strong and resilient. But what if they're doing more than just binding us together? What if they're actually creating the very fabric of our reality? In one famous study, researchers found that mirror neurons were active not just when we performed an action, but also when we observed someone else performing the same action. This discovery opened up a whole new world of possibilities, revealing just how deeply intertwined our brains really are. It's as if our mirror neurons are constantly talking to each other, sharing information and coordinating our actions in ways that are both subtle and profound. But the implications of this discovery go far beyond just social interactions. If our mirror neurons are creating a shared reality, then what does that mean for our understanding of the world around us? Are we living in a simulated reality, crafted by the collective efforts of our mirror neurons? It's a possibility that's both exhilarating and unsettling, and one that challenges us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the nature of reality. One key insight that emerges from all of this is that mirror neurons are not just passive observers, they're active participants in the creation of our reality. They're not just simulating the world around us, they're actually shaping it, moment by moment, interaction by interaction. This realization has the power to transform the way we see ourselves and the world around us, revealing a hidden landscape of interconnectedness that's both beautiful and profound. So, what does it all mean? In the end, mirror neurons are not just a fascinating aspect of brain function, they're a key to understanding the very fabric of our reality. They're a reminder that our individual experiences are not isolated, but are instead deeply intertwined with the experiences of those around us. And that's a truly mind-bending idea. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of mirror neurons. If you have any thoughts on how they might be controlling our reality, please share them in the comments below. And if you're as fascinated by neuroscience as I am, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the mysteries of the human brain.